coming AI into the picture has made the work for the developers very easy. They think that they can simply make the application and they simply publish it. Yes, it is possible. But still there is a lot of problem that we simply write the prompt using the different AI tools are there and you can just simply publish the application. But there are still problems that people still don't know that how exactly is the complete process of creating the application using the AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, your Emergent, and so many other tools are there which can help you create the application and publish it. But there's a lot of gap. But for example, when you make the application, the error comes. What are the other requirements for publishing the simple application on the Play Store? So in this video, we are going to learn how to create the application with the help of ChatGPT and then publish the whole application to the Play Store. So let's proceed ahead, guys. First, we will write one ChatGPT prompt as I have taken. But one thing, make sure to get this done, you need to have ChatGPT Plus version. For that, you need to purchase that Plus version. Before that, you cannot make the whole application. I'll show you how we can make simple applications. So what I will write it, create a Flutter application, which is a to-do app. You need to make it a clean and simple to-do list app with add task, mark as complete, edit and delete task, filter, in the filter what you can do is all, active and completed. And we need to have a dark mode facility. Now here you have mentioned it, what exactly the application will do, but how it has to give it to you. Last line is make the whole application and give me in zip file. Now you press on instant. Simple. Enter and then start. I will build this application to say clean material UI. It will do. See, with the ChatGPT, the thing is the UI will be not so much awesome. We will later on use another tool also like Claude, which is very good for the programming, or other tools like Gemini. We will also learn from that also. Then we will understand what exactly the difference between is making the application. Also, we will learn how we can enhance individual pages of all this app and how we can enhance it. If there are some errors are coming, how we can debug it and how we are going to import it in our Flutter application. We will learn through the Android Studio how exactly the process will go ahead, and then with that Android Studio we will know. As right now you see that the core app is now assembled, including offline persistent to task. The main app is also done. I have created the company. Now, as you can see, if you analyze it, it has not taken more than a minute. So it includes add task and everything. So what it has done, download a simple to-do Flutter list app and then public it. I couldn't run because it does not have the environment, so it cannot do that. So we will do that. We'll simply download this application, the whole zip file. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we will learn how to integrate this app into the Android Studio. So see you guys in another video. If you like this video, like and subscribe.